I just wanted to show you just how many sparrows I've got on my bird table here, or on those branches, the trees. Can you see them? They're everywhere. The whole area is alive with sparrows. Like, even if I just focus on that, there are sparrows everywhere. I hope you can see them. I'll pan back a wee bit. Just lined up everywhere. I guess the nice thing is it shows how well I'm looking after the sparrows, that there are so many at my bird table. And I do get other types of birds, but sparrows, surprisingly, are becoming quite rare. They're not rare here, but there are rare other places, a bit like seagulls. The nice thing, I mean, we're in August, but there are actually one or two youngsters there flapping about and flapping their wings and getting fed even in August. They're still, like, dependent, you know. It's kind of funny to see the little wings flapping like mad trying to get fed. All argue with each other. I've actually got a window feeder here, and that works wonderfully. Birds come onto that and they sit right in front of me and feed on it, but they're just not right now, possibly because they know I'm at the window, I don't know. I just think it's nice to see so many birds doing well, you know, prospering. Oh, dog barking next door. Might need to get a bigger bird table. Look at that. A lot of sparrows. All fighting for position. Anyway, that's what's going on in my garden today. Hundreds of sparrows, all doing well. I would add, I mean, with sparrows you get predators as well. I had a sparrowhawk at my caravan a few days ago, and actually it bumped into the window, and I think it was trying to hunt down my foot, because my foot was at the window. So it was undamaged, it wasn't even going that fast, but I think it was just going to go and have a nibble on my foot. Anyway, it just flew away again. It wasn't a high speed, it was very low speed, but still a surprise. I've never had I've been buzzed by a buzzard before, but never actually hunted by a sparrowhawk. Isn't that great? Sparrows. Better go and put some more food out there, I suppose. Well, I'll finish that in no time. Okay, Dave the Rev, roving the rock. Over now.